2021 Jeep Wrangler. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as four-wheel drive, backup camera, convertible soft top, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.